Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to program an Audi Key Fob updated. Turn the ignition to accessory without starting the engine, press and hold the key fob lock button for 5 seconds, release, then cycle the ignition off and on 3 times to enter programming mode. Within 30 seconds, press the key fob lock and unlock buttons together for 2 seconds. Confirm the doors lock and unlock to complete programming. If your key fob does not program right away, stay calm and try a few quick checks. First, swap in a fresh battery and make sure the blade key turns to accessory position reliably. Move away from other electronics that might cause interference. Repeat the exact programming sequence slowly, timing each press carefully. If it still fails, try the spare fob or consult a dealer for diagnostic tools or reprogramming assistance. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which frees up time for hands-on tasks like programming key fobs. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. For smooth results, use an original or verified OEM replacement fob and keep all remotes with you during programming. Make sure each fob has a fresh battery and that you complete the sequence without long pauses. If you need to add multiple remotes, program them in the same session so the car stores each one. Finally, test each fob at a short distance and label them if you share the vehicle with others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.